Welcome back to the channel. It's cold AF inside here. 29 degrees. So, as you saw, we got the stove fired up. So today, I want to use my QuickJack to see if I can lift this thing up with it. If I'm going to have to do like brakes and change tires and maybe maintain stuff, I feel like I'm going to need a safe way to get the RMAX in the air. And I have the QuickJack, and I don't use it that much because it's only good for certain things. And if I can use it for this, maybe it'll work really good and I can recommend it to you guys. So let's clean the mud and stuff, roll them out of here, and set them up. So it looks like QuickJack is only going to need a little bit more to get this thing up. So I'm going to try these spacers I made. This is out of oak. So I'm going to do rubber, oak, and then rubber. That way this is not going to compress that easy. So we'll sandwich this together and we'll see if this gives us enough room to get tires on. Because honestly, I don't want to make something unless I have to lift the thing up. And if this works, then at least I could do brake service and stuff on it, take the wheels off, rotate them if I need to. So, all right, we're going to do the old switcheroo here. We'll see how it works. All right, so now it's on the safety things. All right, let me grab this. Okay, so this worked pretty good. As you can see, the fronts are off the ground, the backs are off the ground. I can take the wheels off pretty easy. Matter of fact, I guess you guys want to take a wheel off? Yeah? Alright. Alright, so let me grab Cool Tools. I'm using my little flip socket set. I'll make sure to put links and stuff for all this down below. An old big boy comes in handy. Hey pal, how you doing today? Yes! Alright, and that's what a wheel off of the RMAX looks like. So you can see QuickJack, I got the 3 blocks there. I kind of might make something out of steel that'll fit there. That way I don't have to use those blocks. But I mean, it's solid. I'm putting all my weight shaking this thing and it's not going anywhere. So yeah, I don't know. I mean, the QuickJack is a decent enough product for the price. I forget what I paid for this thing, like $1,200 or $1,300. It's definitely nice for doing brake jobs. So you can see, like, if this was a car, you have the whole thing up in the air, you can get your wheels done real quick, take everything off. Looks like plenty of brake pad life still, so that's good. No funny business on the rotors. Yeah, definitely easier to get to your grease fitting. Here you can see I put the angled ones in. Check that video out if you're interested in that. So yeah, alright, well I'm going to slap this wheel back on. Yeah, massive looking stuff here, man. Yamaha definitely builds a good product. This is some stout stuff back here. Definitely built to last. You probably can't drain the oil. I wouldn't get under there. I think I would only be using the QuickJack to get it up in the air like this. to do brake service, any sort of suspension work. You know, it does clear stuff back here fine, so that's good. Yeah, so all right, let's get this thing back on the ground. All right, so that worked pretty good. Just if you're curious, these are the blocks that it comes with, and then I made this spacer. So this is what you need to get that thing in the air. So 7 inches. I feel like if you make something that's 8 inches, it'd be perfect. So I might buy some square tube and just make something. I don't have any square tube, and I want to get, if I were to get square tube, I'd get 3x3 probably, because that would fit in there nice. But that might be a video for another day. Yeah, QuickJack works pretty good. If you can find one used, or you know, if you really think you're going to get use out of it, I guess buy one. I think they're a little on the overpriced side for what they are, but it works pretty good. I've used it probably a half dozen times, maybe a little bit more than that. It does work good for brake jobs. If you have as many junk vehicles as I do, it's not a bad idea to have one. It makes your life easier for brake jobs, for sure. So, all right, well, cool. Hope you guys are having a good Saturday. I'm glad the kids could help me out with this, and shop's nice and warm now, so we might hang out here for a little bit and clean up. Getting really close to 2,000 subs, so I'm going to do that drawing pretty soon. See who's going to win that super clean little grab box bag giveaway or whatever. And yeah, have a great rest of your day. Yeah, nice job there, Milwaukee man. All right, we'll see you later.